Does anyone else yawn all the time but still can't fall asleep like me? Staying up late has messed up my sleep schedule, making it hard to sleep. Recently, I discovered a gummy that helps me sleep well, iHamess sleep gummies. They contain plant-extracted melatonin, which helps us fall asleep easier and sleep deeper. They also have tart cherry extract and valerian root to reduce stress, making you feel refreshed and not tired when you wake up. These gummies are sugar-free, so no worries about gaining weight. I usually take 2 gummies about 30 minutes before bed. If you have trouble sleeping, give them a try.